to our salted pudding channel. This is Anna and someone that's trying very hard to be funny apparently.
I'm trying very hard to help you.
Oh, I see.
So guys, this is the last video of this year.
So let's see the ingredients. Oh, too early? I was trying to help as well.
Well, that's easy. COVID, quarantine, lockdown #1, #2, Christmas alone. So guys, we all need to forget about these ingredients, start the new year with some sweetness, and that's why today we are preparing the crème brûlée cake. So really now, let's see the ingredients. For the crème brûlée, we will need 150 grams of sugar, which we will melt, 50 grams of sugar for the cream, 4 eggs and 500 milliliters of milk. So we will start for melting the sugar in the pan. Pour the sugar in the pan and let it melt. It is better if you do this movement here rather than stirring, so it doesn't create granules. As you can see, the sugar is fully melted, and we will pour it now in your oven tray. You will have to spread it this way. You will have to spread the sugar on the edges as well, and you can do that with a spatula. Don't worry about the shape because it will take a very nice shape in the oven. Perfect, this is it, and now we will let it cool down. While the sugar is cooling down, you will see some little cracks like this. Don't worry, those are very normal. So let's go on now. We will start whisking the sugar, the 50 grams of sugar and the eggs. And meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees. You will whisk till you will obtain a foamy cream and the sugar will be completely melted, and then you will add the milk to it, and you will pour everything in your tray. The secret for a perfect crème brûlée is to cook it in the oven with some water around it. So we will place it in a bigger tray and we will put in the tray water as much as needed to reach the half of the tray. That should be okay. We will bake it now for 30 minutes at 170 degrees. While the crème brûlée is cooking, we can prepare the sponge. We will make a lemon sponge so we can balance the sweetness of the sugar, and for that we will need the juice and the peel of a lemon, 3 spoons of sugar, 4 spoons of flour, 3 eggs and half teaspoon of baking powder. We will start from separating the yolk from the whites. Whisk the whites with half of the sugar. This is ready, as you can see. Then whisk the yolks with the other half of the sugar. Add the lemon peel and the lemon juice. When the sugar has fully melted here as well, we will add the yolks to the white. And we will add now the flour and the baking powder, and we will mix again. And this will go on top of the crème brûlée once it's done. You will see that after the 30 minutes in the oven, your crème brûlée won't be ready yet. That's okay, because we will add on top of that the sponge mixture we have prepared. and we will bake it now for 20 more minutes. Our cake is ready. We will let it cool down for 3 hours before turning it upside down. Here we are, guys. Our cake has cooled down. With a knife, you need to detach the edges of the cake from the pan.
The bad news is that we can't actually taste it right now. Why?
Because we have a guest, at least one guest that will spend New Year's Eve with us, and we prefer to wait. You will need a big plate which you will place on top of your tray, and you need to turn it upside down. I'm gonna say it now because if I speak while I do it,
she can't multitask. Let's see what comes up. Maybe I should show this.
be very careful when you...
And gentle.
Ooh!
I was scared when I saw this side. I was like, oh,
yeah, because that got cut with a knife. So guys, this is our cake. Honestly, it looks amazing. So you will have a lot of syrup, but don't worry about that because that's gonna be absorbed by the sponge, and you will have, as I said before, a very balanced, sweet and a bit sour taste. That's all I can see, Anna. I can read in her eyes that she wants to try it now.
Damn it, friend! But it's okay, I can wait. New year. Who am I kidding? Anyway, we hope you guys have a beautiful year. Better than this one. You know, that's not gonna be difficult, but okay.
You never know.
And you have a very happy New Year's. Make sure you enter the new year with a smile on your face, wherever you are, in whatever lockdown or conditions. And we actually have some surprises for you starting in the new year.
Yeah, everything with the new year. Well, we hope you are gonna miss us because from now on we won't be posting twice a week anymore, so just once a week. And that's all for now.
Happy New Year, you guys!
Bye!
Now I feel the energy of the salty pudding channel. Hello, this is Anna here, and this is Mr. Bean.
Elena here.
None.
Eat it.
Who learned how to say
Punch. What's wrong with you? This is revenge.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Bye. Recipes and today.
So for this lovely Christmas that has just gone, I'm not gonna do anything.
Like any other Christmas, what can I say? Okay. We don't trust each other anymore now.
I'm so afraid of each other. No more, yes. Sandokan! This wild year. This is my audition for Sandokan. I mean, if you still need a main actress, call me.